Hello dear friends, today it's March 8th and today is the International Women's Day in Russia, and I know that it's International Women's Day in many countries. So it's a day of independence of women, day of equal rights of women, yeah? But in Russia it's only day of women when women do nothing and men present gifts to women. It can be different gifts, for example, perfume or sweets or new iPhone, for example, even iPhone, yeah. But the most often gift is flowers, of course. All men in Russia must present flowers to his wives or girlfriends, his mothers and sisters and female colleagues, female friends, and so on. So today we'll learn how to say different flowers in Russian. Flower – цветок, цветок. Plural flowers – цветы, цветы. So what flowers we know? Most popular: rose, роза, роза. Tulip, тюльпан, тюльпан. Sunflower, подсолнух, подсолнух. And lily, лилия, лилия. It's my favorite flower. Then gerbera, гербера, гербера. Carnation, гвоздика, гвоздика. Iris, iris, iris. Daffodil, нарцисс, нарцисс. Peony, пион, пион. Hydrangea, гортензия, гортензия. Orchid, орхидея, орхидея. Astra, астра, астра. Chrysanthemum, хризантема, хризантема. Lilac, сирень, сирень. Violet, фиалка, фиалка. Lotus, lotus, lotus. Plumeria, plumeria, plumeria. Flowers that are often presented in March. Mimosa, mimosa, mimosa. In Russia it's like symbol of this International Women's Day, March 8th. Because there are many mimosa in Russia in this time, and some flowers that are grown in fields. Chamomile, ромашка, ромашка. And like bellflower, колокольчик, колокольчик. So that's all for today with flowers. I hope you knew something new for you. And if you know some more flowers, please write in comments as always. My congratulations today, International Women's Day. And see you in the next video. Bye!